start a new build series, and it's not going to be of one particular car. I want to call it Camry or Toyota 101 because this is going to probably be some of the most frequent questions I get asked. I'm going to go everything from suspension to axles to motors to electronics to rear suspension to doors, everything like that. Different platforms, different motors, fuel systems, all that fun stuff. Interchangeable parts. So what I want to do is I want to basically show off Toyota Camrys 92 to 96 and go through some of those. And I want to show the difference between those ones and Toyota Camrys 97 to 99 and then 2000 and 2001, which is your basic Toyota setup. I also want to show off other things. I also want to show off Soleras. 97 to 2003, that's right. Toyota Camry ends in 2001, but the Solera goes to 2003 with the same design. I also want to show off first gen, well not first gen, but I also want to show off Avalon. 94, 95-ish to 99. And then the second gen that I derby, which is 2000 to 2003. That's correct. Avalon kept the same design until 2003. And almost every single part is interchangeable. And then we also step up into the Sienna van. Sienna van, 97 to 2003. And it shares a lot of the same parts as Camrys, Avalons, everything like that, even the Soleras. The other thing I'm going to start touching base on is Celicas, because a lot of the Celica parts fit Toyotas, and it can give you a little bit of an advantage. It changes bolt pattern, struts are a little bit different design, axles work, motor's the same. I even want to talk about a little bit about Corollas, because the Corolla rear ends can swap into Camrys and give you an advantage. And even some Echo stuff can swap over. There's quite a bit about all these, and believe it or not, there's actually one more car that fits into this category that runs the exact same platform as Camrys, and that's the Lexus ES 300, and that's the car I actually drive on the road every day because I paid $400 for it. But I want to start this as a small build series that I'm going to use for filler videos. It's going to cover a lot of the topics that I get. Some of the questions I get, will front struts of a 92 fit in a 97? Yes, they will. But the sway bar design's a little bit different. If you want to run it on the road, I wouldn't recommend it. If you want to do it in a derby, it will work. Other question I get, will a 99 axle fit into a 94? Yes and no. I will go through the differences. What is the difference between the fuel system on a 95 and a 97? I will go through that. I also want to talk about what parts are interchangeable from what. I don't know if you guys know this, but if you have a 4-cylinder Toyota Camry and you put 6-cylinder struts into it, you'll get about a 1-inch lift in the front end. So there's plenty of things that I can show you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to do alternators, because that is still my #1 question. How do I wire my alternator into these? And I'll show you guys how to do that. Super simple. These videos will be shorter videos. They'll probably be 1 minute to 5 minutes long, but it'll be chocked full of information on that one little thing. And I want to start it as Camry 101, and then I'll lead with the title. So I'm just going to film this video, and as you guys ask me questions, I'll try to make videos of every single thing I get asked questions about. And hopefully we can make a nice build series. It's going to be listed off on a playlist by itself on this channel. So if you just search Camry 101, or Derby Camry 101 or something, it will come right up. I have to think of a pretty snappy title for it. But I just want to share my knowledge of cars like these to guys and girls like you, because knowledge is power, and if you don't share it, knowledge is worth nothing. So I don't know everything about the cars. I'm not going to lie. I learn every day with these. I see different things that other drivers are doing, and I think it's a great idea. And if you never stop learning, that's the thing though. If you stop learning, you're dead. So I try to learn something new every day about these cars. And I'd like to share that information with you guys. So, let's see those questions. What do you guys want to know? Simple. I'm going to do the simple stuff first. Alternators, struts, that kind of thing. and we'll go from there. But I just want to start a new build series and get you guys involved in it, because you guys are the reasons I make my videos, is the viewers. So let's see your questions, and hopefully I can make some videos. They will not be up right away. They'll be fill-in videos between my builds and my derbies. So thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully I get you guys excited about Camry 101, and I can hopefully share my knowledge with you guys in the future. Thanks for watching. We'll see you back here tomorrow.